Hello and welcome to Maintenance Mondays. Today we're going to be talking about your air conditioning system and things you can do to keep it running efficiently and effectively. The first thing we're going to talk about is your air filter. Now, depending on your situation, you may want to change it as much as monthly if you have pets in the home or if the windows and doors are open from time to time. Alternatively, you could go every quarter if you don't have any of those other circumstances. Another thing to keep in mind is when you're looking at your vent systems, if you're seeing dust around them, it may mean that dust has progressed through the filter, through the AC system, and is starting to accumulate on the vents. Now, of course, you should always just dust your vents because normal dust can accumulate there as well. But in the event that you think you might have dust in your system, you may need to get your condenser coils acid washed. For more information on that, or to be connected with a great contractor who can help you out with this, feel free to give us a call. Our number is 520-523-7024. Thanks. We'll see you on the next one.